We also look forward to participating and working together with you in new capacities as we continue to grow our country as well. I take this opportunity also to congratulate the new VCDF, General Kivoshi. You have had a sterling career in the army, and we look forward to you taking those skills that you have developed and honed to serving now the entire KDF as the VCDF. So, hongera sana kwako. General Koibaton, shukrani, you're also a distinguished service officer. We are looking forward to you taking the Kenya Army to new heights and to continue the distinguished and proud service that the Kenya Army has earned, not just here in Kenya, but internationally. Major General, let me begin by saying it is my pride and joy today to launch the first Kenyan woman as a Major General in the Republic of Kenya. I'm looking to you and counting on you to be a positive role model to other women in this republic and to show and to prove to them that there is no limits for the Kenyan women and everything is possible. To the entire KDF team, let me say how proud and how humbled I have been to serve with you. You have been a true and clear picture of what Kenya is. You bring the Kenyan nation together. You are men and women from different parts of this country, but you serve the nation regardless of your tribe, your religion, your color. You serve faithfully and diligently the 42 million people of this country, and you are the vanguard of the defense of this country. I continue to count on you, I continue to encourage you, and I promise you that my administration will do everything in its capacity to ensure that you have the resources, you have the manpower to do the job that the Kenyan people expect of you. I congratulate you both for your service, I congratulate you for your sacrifice, and once again, as I have always stated in numerous of my statements, you can always count on me to ensure that I do everything in my power to ensure that you are able to do your job of protecting and defending the people of this great nation.